What's up, y'all? So this is the wig. Oh, let me. Okay, I gotta glue this wig down. There. What's going on? It's been a minute. Y'all, I got a big flat forehead, so I'm gonna do that. So we gonna do that. Okay. And then one more time. Yeah. What the hell, dude? See, shit like that, shit like that be irritating me. Y'all be getting irritated hecka fast off of nothing. That's me. I'll be getting irritated over anything. Like little shit. Which was surprisingly like crazy to me. Cause big shit I don't even really be tripping. It just be like the little shit be irritating me. I be getting shit irritated over shit that don't even need to be irritated by. Let's put it like that. Alright, this shit's drying fast. What the hell? Make sure it's a little bit. Oh, this shit's sticky, y'all. Oh. Oh, I should have. I already cut this wig, but I didn't cut. I didn't cut this. Yeah, I'm tired of struggling. Oh God. I think I need to cut this part out. We're gonna stop it right there and then we just gonna cut it, cause I mean me. I said we. It would be nice if y'all was over here helping me out. Shit. Rub it all in like that. Alright, now I'm done rubbing it. Now I'm just gonna survival aside. Ladies and gentlemen, what don't I have? A hair tie, of course. One thing I be sleeping on. I'm just doing that though so I can put this on. I don't really need a hair tie, but bruh. Nigga. That's what I really want to say. Nigga. It's no surprise. Now she lose because I know I'm on the rise. I got time. Yo, this gonna be cute. Okay. Let's get that on my face like that so I don't be looking so crazy. Alright, I already got these on the standby. I'm just gonna take that as high as it can go. Move that. I'm gonna buy that. Really? Let's do this side. I remember when I was a kid, I used to watch my older sister do this all the time to her hair. Like, she'll be having some toe up wigs though. Like, bro, she wear her wigs for like 2 or 3 months. But what I'm saying is she would do this every day, just flat iron it, wash it, and it be looking new. Like, I don't know how she made it work. It would be like the most tore up wig, and she would bring that bitch back. That's all she used to do was just wash it, throw some shit on it, flutter in it. And be gone. But every time I hug her or be close by her or something, she be smelling like bonding glue. Well, back then we had to make our own wigs and shit, like, otherwise it wasn't good enough. I don't think she ever wore already made wig. We used to do our own wigs, and she just be putting them tracks back in like it was nothing. Using the recycled ass tracks. It look bomb though. My fucking spritz bottle, y'all. The cap broke. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Like, I can't spritz it no more. That's crazy. I didn't put nothing on this wig. That's how I kind of want it though. Like, I don't want it fizzy, but I want it to kind of look natural because it's like a short wig. So I want that one. That flowy look, not that stiff shit. Might just use my Sheen Shine spray. And then yeah. Y'all, I've been going through the motions for real. This has been the slowest, craziest year for me. I don't know if anybody else feeling that, but this has not been the year for real. I don't know what I did last year that made me get some like bad karma or what. This year is crazy to me. Like, God really had to sit me down. It was something I needed to learn this year. I feel my lace is lifting up a little bit. I'm taking a major L's this year. Crazy shit. I'll be too nice, that's the problem. I think God trying to put some dog in me. I think God trying to put some dog in me, y'all. So I can stop being taken advantage. People stop taking advantage of me. already sweating. Oh yeah, this thing is sliding. Oh duh. But I just feel like I'm taking major L's. I got everything taken from me this year. Or yeah, this year. Almost everything, bro. I don't know why. Like I kinda know, but I don't really understand. Y'all ever felt that way? I ain't going through that. Depression is real as hell. Even though a lot of people say that shit don't exist. Whatever it is, I felt it, and it felt like what it proclaimed to be. Depression. That's a story time, y'all. That shit ain't go nowhere. Man, this shit's like, it's the heat. Oh yeah, those little things in the back there. I did not get those when I was straightening my hair. What just happened to the... I need to get a new flatter. Oh, wait a minute, that look better than this side. Maybe I just need to take it slow. This time I'll take it slow. This shit was banging, bro. I don't like how crinkly it looked though. I did not straighten that part. It's okay though. It's in a bit. If you don't know, now you know. You know very well you're a star, 'cause I don't go that far. You had a few, but way too many. I noticed the way you kissed it felt so personal. You took the chance to get my love, and now you know. I don't need no one, baby. Without you, I'm incomplete. Oh. I know y'all like, what happened? You're supposed to be on a cosmetology school, y'all. I'll tell you, my life changed drastically. It changed. I was in cosmetology school. I was just going through so much, or I just could not handle it. I'm not absolutely kissed. Yeah, I know everybody go through something, but I never thought it would be me. I thought that big cone would help. That shit was not helping. I don't know. Oh, that was not cool. My best friend passed away too. A lot was going on. It's crazy. Being a victim of depression is not nothing to talk about, not to play about. It's not nothing to play about for people be like, oh, I'm depressed, or people be like, oh, you're not depressed. You're not depressed. Like, only if you knew. You're just stressed out and it's all in your mind. I mean, but what if, like, As they say that you can live with depression for a long time. But it's like, what if, let's just say I was too stressed out, or I was going through so much where I couldn't handle it. Is it supposed to always be like that? Am I always supposed to feel like that even when I'm in control again? What is that called? That can't be stressing. You know, when all the worrying is gone and all the shit that's quote unquote supposed to be in my mind is gone, because, you know, I'm ready to, like, I can finally say I'm ready to get back up and try again. I'm gonna take this off, y'all. I don't want to take it off right now, though. It's like sliding, it's hot. Like, what do you call it then, for real? What is it called? After everything else subside, like, you know, like everything should look like it's in the clear now, and to you, you feel better than you used to feel. But then, you know, you still have those days where you just don't want to do it. It's not normal. It's like, everybody has days, right? It's different. This time it's like pain and you don't know where it came from. This time it's like crying without knowing why you're crying. This time it's you don't feel good about yourself no more. Like, you feel like you failed miserably. But that's only for that day. I mean, you can't eat, you can't sleep, you can't think. Alright? That type shit. You don't want to be around people. Like, you try to force yourself to be around people. To the point where you be like, man, I want to get my life back. After 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, almost a year. It's like, okay, I think I gave my body and my mind enough time to rest. Now I'm trying to come back, but today you're like, what's up, y'all? Let's do it. Like, you want to be involved. You want to be involved. Like, you want to try to make, like, you want to try to be comfortable around people again. You want to try to be like, alright, I had to make a few adjustments because it started getting hot. I had to turn the light off, I had to turn the AC on. Like, y'all, that shit was really melting my lace. And then I was applying some foundation right here because I forgot to tint my lace, so it's looking kind of white, but let's see what we can do. But yeah, y'all, depression is real. Like, I'm not saying I got a chance to see it, but I got, damn, even my jam is sweating. My jam is sweating. I don't know what should I put some gossipy glue? Gossipy glue or jam? Y'all got magic fingers, y'all know. Y'all know that already though. I don't know if I should use that. How would you like it if I did the same to you? It's actually really curved. It's curved. It's curved. Y'all probably like, what? It's what? I said what I said. It's curved. I just need a new hot iron. I had this one for a long time. Yeah, I'm still trying to like procrastinate because I don't know what y'all. Let's see. How would you like it if I did the same to you? You're the only bleeding victim. I don't think you understand. Till I hit you where it hurts, yeah. I guess I know what I gotta do. Can't wait you like it. I need to stop singing these songs. I'll be getting strikes on here though. Cause I don't like that song and they hate me. I remember when they didn't care about music, y'all. What is going on with this AI world? Everybody gotta be so no, not animated. So robotish. Like, damn, everything we do. Restriction, restriction, restriction. Damn, bitch, you might as well ban my whole life. Last time I checked, God made me. Not no robot. I'm creating in no damn lab. Oh, it's getting hot. Again. It's crazy though, because it started off at like raining this morning. Weather getting weird. Trust, because we're going into September. Maybe I can bring some hair down. Yeah, that look stupid actually. Wait a minute. You be knowing the look you want, but the look ain't looking. My bad, y'all. Y'all probably like, why is she looking like that? Trying to figure it out. Okay. I think I add some more. Ow! I just fucking put my knee right into a cord. Y'all don't like when y'all something when a piece of y'all body part going to something hard and it hurt like that. I don't see. I said a piece of y'all body part. I don't even know why I be doing this. I mean it blend, but I ain't even that dark skin like that. Oh! This girl on this thing. This girl on this thing. Y'all, that's cute, right? You know what? I'm gonna make a do what it do, babe. It's alright. Okay. But yeah, y'all, this was just a little quick install and a life update, y'all. Even though I could be talking to myself right now. Is that Mason? No. Mm.
Because the one has the giant stick.
There you go. See you guys in the next video. If you made it this far, shout out to you. And yeah, guys, I will be back in the next video.